Hey there, it's Christy with Eder Creations, and today I'm going to show you around an e-commerce tool that I learned about recently, and I'm excited to share with you. It is called Sellfy, and the reason I wanted to find a new solution is because I didn't want to have the headache of dealing with WooCommerce, and I also didn't want the expense of Shopify because I've had that before. And all the add-ins, add-ons, and plugins really add up after a while. But Sellfy is like the Goldilocks of creating an e-commerce store. Now you can sign up and get a 14-day free trial. I'll have my affiliate link below that you can use for that. And as you can see here, it's an easy to use e-commerce for creators. You can sell merchandise or digital products all from one place. And I'm going to vouch for this and say it is very easy to get started, very user friendly. And that's what I wanted, just something that I can get up and get going. Now, you have options. You can do digital downloads, which is mainly what I'm using it for, print on demand, which is another option, and also subscriptions. And I'm going to show you here the pricing just because you're probably wondering what the price is. And this is the 2-year price, so I don't look at that one. Monthly, it's the starter plan is going to be $29 a month there, and then you can upgrade to these other plans here. Now, what I like about it is that there's no transaction fees and no hidden costs. So you don't have to worry like and there's going to be all these added costs other than with your payment processor, whether it be PayPal or Stripe. It has email marketing, digital products, unlimited products. You can connect your own domain and even email marketing. So it's packs a punch in this platform here. And you can compare plans and see what you need. I would just start with the free trial and then start with the starter plan if you decide to go with it. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to log in here so that I can actually show you around. All right, so I've logged in to my dashboard so that you can get a peek inside just to get an idea of what the user experience is. Well, of course, you'll come right here to the dashboard, and I haven't officially launched the store yet, so I don't have sales. I just did some test ones to make sure things were working right. But this is where you would see any recent orders, your revenue for the last 7 days, and they have other articles that you can look at and read. And you can always press the help button here on the bottom. It has analytics right here, and that is what will show you how many visits you had, how many purchases, your conversions, and total revenue. And it'll show you your top products, even your traffic sources. So it's very awesome because you really get a feel for what's working and maybe what's not working. Here under products is probably where you'll spend most of your time as you add products into your store. And it is so easy to do. I already have some products in here, so I'm just going to go to digital products because that's the main thing I use it for and most likely will be for you as well. So these are all the ones that I've already added in. Now, if you're adding from scratch, this is where you'll start. You'll add a new product. You'll choose either digital product, print on demand, subscription, physical product, or freebie. So those are the options that you'll start with. Since I already have products that I have created, it makes it so much easier once you get going, because then all you have to do is click these 3 little dots and then you can duplicate it. So then all you have to do is add new pictures and edit your description. So I'll go ahead and click on this product here. So this is where you're going to upload your files. You can upload up to 50 files with a combined size of 10 gig. That's a lot. So you should be able to handle that. This is where you'll put your name of the product, and then you'll put your description here. So this is basically like your sales page, but it's very contained and it makes it easy to work with. Once you have that done, you have all your FAQ and whatnot. You decide what category you want it in, and then you add your pictures. Sure, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It looks like 9 pictures, I'm going to have to see what the max for pictures, but you can put a lot up. So I'll show you what this looks like once it's on the page. You can also set your price here, even give your customers the option to pay what they want. Maybe it's just a product that you're happy to give away. You're not going to say no if they want like a buy me coffee type thing, and just donate if they want to. You have ad variant. That's really more for print on demand. But let's look and see the result of this product page. And this is give me an idea at least what it looks like on your store. So then if someone's looking here, they can go through all the different pictures, and that's pretty much it. And then this is everything what we have put it here in the description. So then it just builds like a mini sales page for your product, and it has the add to cart button and the price that you put there. So I'm going to go to the homepage just so you can see what the store looks like. Obviously, I mentioned it. I'm just building it, but it has not taken me long at all to do this. The thing that really takes most time is creating the products, but uploading them and doing all that, as you can see, it's very easy. So you can build a header, and I'll do another video to show you how to actually build the site. It's not hard. It's very user friendly. So I have my categories of products here, and you can have your about page. This is going to go to all your products. So it'll have all your products here, but then people can look through them by category. It'll have a contact page if you want that. And then it has your freebies page. So whatever freebies you're offering, you can set them here. And that's another incentive for people to visit your store. So all in all, it's like the Goldilocks of e-commerce platforms. And it's easy to use, which I love about it. So here you can see information on your orders, your subscribers, if you have any, set your payment settings, your product categories, email settings. That would be like for the automatic emails your customer gets when they make a purchase, any invoice settings and discounts. Some of these are going to be for the more premium account. Like you can have your own affiliate program, but you have to be on a higher paid plan in order to get those options. But everything is just very easy to use. And so if you're looking for an option to sell digital products, but you're just feeling like the options out there aren't working for you, there's WooCommerce, there's Shopify, there's PayHip, and there's Gumroad and some others. You can compare them and just see what they have and what you need for your business. But I'm definitely excited about my Sellfy store, and I'll look forward to sharing more about it in some future videos. All right, so be sure to like and subscribe. And also, again, I have that link down below if you want to give it a try. Have a 14-day trial, and I'll see you next time.